Hey everyone, you're standing at the edge of a vast, endless ocean. You need to get to the other side, but you can't swim that far. What do? You build a bridge, right? A series of connected platforms that allow you to cross the water one step at a time. Well, in the world of electricity, relays are like those platforms. They're the stepping stones that allow electrical current to flow safely and efficiently over long distances. What is a relay? A relay is essentially a simple electrical switch that's controlled by another electrical signal. Think of it like a remote control for a light switch. When you press the button on the remote, it sends a signal that turns the light on or off. In a relay, the remote control signal is an electrical current that activates a coil of wire. This coil creates a magnetic field that attracts a metal contact, closing the switch and allowing current to flow. Types of relays. There are many different types of relays, each with its own specific function. Some of the most common types include electromagnetic relays. These are the most basic type of relay, using a magnetic field to close the switch. Solid-state relays. These use electronic components instead of mechanical contacts, making them more reliable and faster. Reed relays. These use a sealed glass tube containing two thin metal reeds that are attracted to each other by a magnetic field. Time delay relays. These have a built-in delay that prevents the switch from closing immediately after the control signal is applied. How relays work in a bank. Now that we understand what relays are, let's explore how they're used in a bank. Banks rely on a complex network of electrical systems to operate smoothly, and relays play a crucial role in these systems. One of the most important applications of relays in banks is in the protection of electrical equipment. Relays can be used to detect faults in electrical circuits and automatically disconnect the faulty equipment to prevent damage and ensure safety. For example, if a short circuit occurs in a bank's power supply, a relay can detect the excessive current and quickly trip a circuit breaker, isolating the faulty section of the circuit. Relays are also used in bank security systems. They can be used to control access to secure areas, activate alarms, and monitor for unauthorized activity. For example, a relay might be used to trigger a door strike when a valid access card is swiped or to activate a security camera when a motion sensor is triggered. In addition to these applications, relays are used in various other areas of bank operations, such as ATM machines, computer systems, and lighting controls. The importance of relays. Relays are essential components of modern electrical systems, and their reliability and versatility make them indispensable in banks. They provide protection, control, and automation, ensuring the safe and efficient operation of bank facilities. Without relays, banks would be vulnerable to electrical failures, security breaches, and operational disruptions. Relays help to mitigate these risks and maintain the smooth functioning of banking services. Conclusion. So, the next time you walk into a bank, take a moment to appreciate the relays that are working behind the scenes to keep the place running smoothly. From protecting equipment to ensuring security, relays play a vital role in the operations of modern financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.